Hello and welcome to Restoration Weekly, episode 4, where today we're covering more news from the aircraft restoration world, as well as a new segment. Now, for our first story, the days of Vixen flying are officially over for the foreseeable future, as Vixen XP924 will be put on static display at Bournemouth Aviation Museum. However, all is not bad, as it means the airframe will no longer be exposed to the elements, and the museum will maintain functionality of many parts, including the wing folds. XP924 was abandoned by Navy Wings Heritage Trust last year due to the cost to get it back in airworthy condition following its 2017 wheels up landing. Navy Wings instead have decided to bring their Seahawk WV908 back to the skies, with the restoration costing 1/10 of the price to get the Vixen flying. They're also in arrangements to bring another very unique aircraft back to the UK skies, which brings us on to our next topic. It was recently announced that Gannet XT752, which is based in Wisconsin, USA, is being prepared to return to the UK to Navy Wings, meaning it'll be the first Gannet to fly in the UK for well over 30 years. It'll make a one-off ferry flight to Washington DC and then be shipped to the UK, or be restored by Navy Wings. Ferry Gannet, commonly known as the ugly duckling of the fleet air arm, was a carrier-borne contraprop aircraft designed to search and destroy submarines at the time of the Cold War. And like many unusual British designs, the Gannet was widely used and very successful. Retired in December 1978, only one Gannet was left flying in the 21st century, which is XT752. When and if this move happens, we will of course update you on its whereabouts and restoration progress. Now, to our final stories of the week. With the winter season imminent, many aircraft are now going into hibernation. This includes B-17 Sally B, who we saw only 2 weeks ago flying with the BBMF Lancaster, which has also been hangared for the winter season. This provides a great opportunity to witness maintenance and restoration of these aircraft up close, and Sally B will soon be joined by Catalina Miss Pickup in Hangar 2 at IWM Duxford. Now, speaking of Duxford, time for our next segment. Duxford's Airspace hangar has existed for well over 16 years now, and since opening there have been no permanent major changes or additions, apart from the addition of Victor XH648 after restoration. However, it is rumoured that next year the Airspace hangar will undergo a reshuffle of some sorts. It was announced in January this year that the Jaguar GR1B XX108 will be up for disposal and available in November of this year. This relit the rumours of the change around, and it does seem that IWM are making changes, for instance in the land warfare hull. However, rumours are rumours and we don't have any definite answer yet. Comment down below your opinion on the reshuffle, and which aircraft you keep inside Airspace and which ones you'd add. Anyway, that's it for this week, so I hope you enjoyed and have a nice weekend.